My name's Janine Galizia and I want to talk to you about watercolor. Now, most artists today are not getting the results that they want. Actually, most artists are actually very unhappy with the results that they're getting, whether that be the selection results into competitions and exhibitions, whether that be their results when it comes to awards, to selling, to getting recognition for their work, to getting selected in international, national exhibitions. This affects most people today, and most artists are not getting the results that they would like to get. So I'm creating a free webinar. This Sunday, the 15th of March, I'm putting together a free webinar where I want to explain what I see. Now, I've been a watercolor artist, a professional artist for 30 odd years. I'm a professional judge. I curate exhibitions all around the world. I see a lot of things in a lot of countries. And one thing that I can tell you is that we have the highest level of watercolor I think the world has ever seen. Yet artists are doing miserably when it comes to their results. And it shouldn't be the case. And I know it shouldn't be the case because I put into place different things, different strategies, if you like, for myself. And they work. I tell you they work because I use them and they work. And many artists, every single artist out there, amateur or professional, could be doing the same thing. And I would love other artists to be improving their results, because the more artists that we are that are successful with our art, the greater the watercolor scene becomes. And then every single artist benefits more from it. So the bigger the market is, the stronger it is for the artists in the market. So what I want to do this Sunday, the 15th of March, is talk to you about what I see, why I think that as a watercolor field, if you like, why I feel that we haven't evolved necessarily in the best direction, meaning that there are other things that we could be doing that get these results. And we're still working on a system that is basically 50 years old. The watercolor scene hasn't adapted to the market, is not adapting to the financial market, and artists are suffering because of it. And it's not a question of how good your paintings are. You know what it is? It's just quite simply an understanding of how markets work, how paintings work, how art really works, and actually aligning yourself to fit into the market or to create your own market. It's available to anybody. So join me this 15th Sunday, and I'll explain all of this, and I'll go through at the end of the session. I'll go through questions. I'll go through any questions that you have and answer them, because I want to collectively move watercolor, and I want you to join me. It's free. There's no cost to any of this, but I would love watercolorists all around the world to join together. I'm in a storm. To join together. To expand watercolor and to get better results, because it benefits everybody. It benefits absolutely anybody. So bring your watercolor friends along. Listen up. If you can't join on Sunday, then look at my YouTube channel, because I will upload the video, the recording, on the YouTube channel. You'll be able to watch it for free on YouTube, and then you can also put subtitles if you need subtitles. So that's a date. Sunday, the 15th of March, we're going to talk watercolor. We're going to talk serious business when it comes to getting better results for artists, because it's much needed. It is so needed. I'll see you then.